This is disgusting. Ugh, all that over my hands. Alright, so you got a constant little leak right now coming out through here, and that is going down through here that we're connecting some rainwater in so we can filter out and use it for later on. If my calculations are correct, I'm assuming that the catch tray is just filled with dirt, debris, pollen, something in it that's causing that water to build up and come out and leak out to here. So I've done this before, probably like a year ago. Gets clogged up, gets dirty, and it starts dripping water like this. Right now the leak's getting even worse. You can see that it's coming out pretty fast right now, and I can't really go outside now because it's about to pour down and I don't want to get super wet. So we're gonna give it a minute and we're just gonna get up there. Hopefully it's just that tray, and if it is, well, we're gonna show you how to stop a leak like this if you have one in your RV. This one is a Coleman AC unit. So first thing I'm gonna start off is grabbing a Milwaukee drill. It's gotta be Milwaukee, can't be DeWalt. You gotta use a DeWalt fitting, and grab a little, I'm using a square head. Just putting it in here. You're gonna take these screws out first. Alright, so I thought these were all square heads, but they're not. I was mistaken. So we're gonna be using Phillips, I think, and I'm just gonna be taking all these screws out. So we're gonna go here, put them to the side somewhere they don't get lost. Here under these tapes there should be one right here. There'll be one there, like this one, this one, this one, this one. All these screws are coming out. Also, while you are taking the screws out, just make sure you turn your power off from the inside. Oh, and my battery's dead. But make sure your power's off on the inside because you don't want to shock yourself, mess anything up. When you get to this side, you're going to take these brackets off too. These little support things, I don't even know what they are, but yeah, go ahead and take these off too, put them to the side. All right, and just from popping off the screws and being on top of here, you can already see like a bunch of water already coming out of here. All the way around, water's coming out. So that water was going in through the inside and dripping out to the bottom. And I'm pretty sure it's that little drain pan. It has a little clog in it. It should be like right here somewhere. When we take this part off, you'll see. All right, and when you take this little pan off, this little cover, just be sure to be careful. Don't touch any of that stuff. I'm pretty sure even though the power's off, that it still has like a little power in it, and it can still shock you. So just don't touch that. All right, now once you got all the screws out, you're slowly just gonna take it off. Be careful. There should be like a little piece of cover. What is it called? Like foam right here. So I just want to slowly pop it off. Lift this up. There it is. Oh, and it's stuck to there. So you can see how dirty this is. This needs to be cleaned pretty bad. So we're gonna clean this too, but this will go on top like that. And yep, look, the little tray right there, it's full of gunk. It's disgusting. That's causing all this to get all right here, all that water to build up and just stink in there. So I was not expecting to see a little bolt in here. I don't know what the heck that's doing in there. Maybe it was from one of my last players. I don't even know, but I'll take that out. I don't know why that's in there. Hopefully that doesn't go to anything important. But yeah, you can see this is fucking disgusting. Like, just see how nasty that's all built up in there. So we're gonna clean that out, get this tray cleaned out, and I'm gonna suck this up with a vacuum, just get this out. But first thing I'm gonna do is come to this line right here. This is for your temperature gauge, your temperature wire or something like that. And take that out, get it over here. Then you're just gonna go ahead and lift up on this side right here. Just lift up here and pull up on this side and get this out of the way, and your tray will be right here. There it goes. You kind of just gotta finesse your way to get it out. I lift it up on this top, pull this over to the left, then come on this side, lift this up a little bit. You don't want to pull too hard on this side, but you kind of just gotta like wiggle it out, get it under there, and do your best. Don't bend these fins on this AC unit. Go ahead and pop it out. Maybe there's an easier way, but we'll see. Got it right here. Pull it through here. Come on. There it goes. All right. As you can see, this is disgusting. Ugh, all that over my hands. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. You look at that, that definitely clogged, definitely filled. I don't even know what that is. That's pretty nasty though. So we're gonna get that cleaned out. I just grabbed some paper towels and try to scoop this up, because what in the hell is going on here? I've never seen this like this. Oh, so nasty. Should probably be wearing gloves, but it'll be alright. Hopefully it'll be alright. We'll see. So one thing you can try to do too is like just push this water through those holes. That's where those drain holes are going to go out through, where your little pan is. Yeah, just kind of push that all out, and hopefully you can get most of it done, or most of it out. If yours is this bad, something else I've got, just a little thin little piece of wood, long piece of wood, just put it in there and just kind of try to get all that gunk out, because it's just everywhere, and it'll kind of build up down on the bottom, builds up on the bottom over here. Just get it out. And same thing on this side, should have some gunk over here, might not be able to get to. Just push it all out, get it as clean as you can, take your time. So one of the things I like to do is you grab a little soft brush, make sure it's not a hard brush, just kind of go with the fins up and down, try to get all that dust out. You don't want to bend the fins, so like I said, you want to make sure you're going up and down with it, not that way with it, but just get it the best clean as you can. Like I said, this is an old ass unit, so you know it might be time to place it anyways. I think this is like almost 10 years old now, so it's done its job. But just try to do a little bit of upkeep, maybe get another 10 years out of it, who knows. And after you do that, just make sure you clean that off, clean this as best you can, put your little thermostat back in, and then just put it all back together. Before you go ahead and start bolting everything back together, make sure you put the drip tray back. Yep, I gotta unbolt or unscrew all this and put this in. Big fail, big fail. All right, so make sure you put the drip tray in before you put this in and before you bolt everything down, because yeah, accidentally made that mistake. So this side goes in, these sides will come out on this side. Plop it in. This is for the Coleman, and yeah, just gonna lift this side up, get it in, and lift this side up, push it in. This one should be a lot easier than getting it out. All right, you're going to turn it on, make sure everything sounds good. Make sure you ain't got no clanking sound, nothing crazy going on. Go inside, check it, see if you still got a leak. You shouldn't though. All right guys, so for me it worked. We no longer have a leak. It is good. Got rid of the pan, got rid of the towel that was right here. But yeah, that may have just been your problem. You might just had to have your drip tray. Could have just been disgusting like ours. Like it's really nasty, or slime all in it. It was disgusting. Clean that out, do your maintenance, get it cleaned up, and that just may be your problem. It could also be, it could be frozen. That is another thing, it has to do with the thermostat. But if it's not the thermostat, it could be that drip tray. So try it out, see if it works for you.